So I want to show a it's very common for people to say BIM hasn't delivered on its promise, or BIM was supposed to do this, or BIM hasn't done that, etc. And honestly, the tools are here for us to accomplish pretty much everything we want to do. Is everything as fully automated as people say? Not necessarily. Is it automated in blog posts and demos and things like that on the internet? Yes. Is it fully automated at scale? Probably somewhere somebody's doing something, but for the most part, I would say in everyday practice and everyday coordination meetings, no. Are things going to get there? Probably 100%. I don't doubt it. But I've always tried to show real examples, real jobs, and we've installed tens of millions of dollars of work off of 3D models that are directly produced here, each and every day. And so I want to give an example of an active project that we've gone through. Engineering coordination, it's not a huge scope on the particular project. It's a small area, but it's got a lot going on in such a small little box. It's the infamous, 10 pounds of shit in a 5-pound sack type of deal. So what we have here is this is a rooftop unit. There's a grease duct and some clean outs coming out. So we have it linked in here is we have the duct model, we have the steel model. The concrete model's here mainly just for the curb, which you can see is this portion right here. And then we have our framing. So I've just gotten updated engineering. You can see how tight a lot of this stuff is. There's access doors provided. And we're just kind of going through and getting everything coordinated. So we've already done a couple of the elevations this evening. There's really like one more side that we have to do and then just fix some clips. But this has allowed us to just avoid issues in the field. We've gone back and forth. We've had meetings. And, this is just a real example. It's nothing special. It's nothing fancy. But a lot of people say this isn't done, this doesn't work, or all these different things and all these different horror stories. But at the end of the day, the tools work. I mean, this is an example. So